Now see the next question in the trial balance chapter. From this chapter, you see the next question. Okay, the next question is, the following is the trial balance prepared by an inexperienced accountant. Redraft in a correct form and give necessary notes. Redraft in a correct form. So, this trial balance is prepared by an inexperienced accountant. You are requested to redraft in a correct form. Okay, so I'm giving this question, you note it down, and thereafter we will redraft it. So, first of all, we try to understand this is the trial balance prepared by an inexperienced accountant. This is the trial balance which is prepared by an inexperienced accountant. First of all, you know the format of a trial balance. Format of a trial balance, what we have already discussed, is like this. There will be the two sides. Yes. This is the format we have discussed. Particulars, LF, amount in rupees, yes, and debit, credit. This is the one format. Heading will be trial balance. Trial balance, and here as at 31st March, and then we write the, suppose it is 2020, then we'll write 2020. This is the one format of a trial balance. Another format of a trial balance which you may prepare like this. Heading will be the trial balance as at 31st March 2020. Trial balance is prepared on a specific date, not a period. Trial balance, as already discussed, it is prepared on a specific date. It is not prepared for during the period. Okay, during a period, it is not prepared. So the trial balance format will be maybe in the T shape. This way we can prepare the trial balance. Okay. This side you write the debit, this side you write the credit, all information of credit. However, it's not a laser. All debit information will be this side and all credit information will be this side. Debit, and this side you write the credit. Yes, this side you write the credit. So trial balance, this is the one way we are preparing trial balance. Particular, LF, amount in rupees, debit balance, and this side credit balance. Okay, credit balance. Another format of a trial balance is like this. The same, divided particulars, LF, debit balance in rupees, again particulars, LF, and credit balance in rupees. This is the another format. You write the debit information this side, credit information the opposite side. So either of the two you can follow the format. So one format is particular is one side, and information about the debit balance and credit balance is the another side. Another format is what? Debit balance is in this side and credit balance is in this side. Particular Means this, in this particular we write the ledger which have a debit balance, and in this particular we write the balance which have a credit balance, the ledger which have a credit balance, and their amount we write it over here. So debit balance, ledger of debit balance we write this side, amount this side. Ledger of credit balance will write the name of the ledger this side and the amount this side, and both side must be, we have to tally both side. Here also we tally this and this side. This is a way of preparing the trial balance. You can follow any one of the technique. So here the inexperienced accountant has followed this one. Instead of that, he has followed this one. So this format is correct. Format is correct. Format is correct. So either of these two, you can follow any of this format while preparing trial balance. So one format is what? Particular LF, and the amount is in one side, debit balance and credit balance. Here in particular we write the name of the accounts, whether the balance is debit and credit. Both the account balance we write it over here, and the amount which have a debit balance we write it this side, the account which have a credit balance we write this side. But here in this side we write the balance of those ledger which have a debit balance, because we will write the debit balance, only debit balance this side. So we will write the ledger account of those ledger account which have a debit balance, and here we write the ledger of those account which have a credit balance, because this side we will write only credit. There will be no mix up. Debit is another side, credit details is another side. So here the accountant has followed this one. So the format is correct. Okay. This is the trial balance prepared by the accountant. This is the trial balance prepared by the accountant. Okay. Now see the format. This side is the debit side, this side should be the credit side. Now what we do? First mistake is this: for the year ended, trial balance is prepared on a particular date, not for the year ended, not for a period. Trial balance is always prepared on a particular date. So this should be, I am going to redraft. So as at 31st March 2017. So this is the one mistake we have detected. Another is what? Here in rupees he has not mentioned it's a debit or credit. So you have to write amount in rupees, debit balance. Here you write amount in rupees, okay, amount in rupees. Here you write amount in rupees, credit balance. What you will write? Credit balance. This side credit balance, and this side debit balance. Amount in rupees, debit balance. Amount in rupees. This side what you will write? Debit balance. This side debit balance, and that side credit balance. This side debit balance, okay, and this side credit balance. So rupees, I am erasing rupees from here because I mentioned inside. Another errors committed by that, he has not opened the ledger folio column. So there must be a column for ledger folio. Here also ledger folio, he has not draw the column for ledger folio. So we will write the ledger folio. So first of all I have corrected the format. So format correction is what? Here he has written for the year ended. It should not be for the year ended. It should be as at 31st March 2017. Because why it should? Because the trial balance is prepared on a specific date. On a specific date. Here LF is not written, so I have written the LF. Amount rupees debit balance we have to write it. He has not written debit balance and credit balance. Then I have written debit balance and credit balance. Now see, this is the question given. Now we'll find out the mistake areas where the inexperienced accountant has committed mistakes. Now see the debit side, cash in hand debit, correct. Plant and machinery assets debit, correct. Typewriter is the assets debit, correct. Stock, this is the opening stock, debit, correct. Purchase debit, correct. Carries inward means at the time of purchase when we pay the carriage, that is called carriage inward, that's an expense, debit, correct. Carriage outward, when we sell the goods, on that time when we pay the carriage, that is called carriage outward. Carriage outward is also an expense. Carriage outward is also an expense, debit, correct. Sundry debtors debit, correct. Bills payable, it's a liability. Bills payable is liability, it should be credit. So one mistake, we have detected one mistake. Bills payable, it is related to bills payable, this should be credit. Bills payable is liability, all liability have a credit balance. Sundry debtors assets debit balance, correct. Carries inward or carries outward, both are expense, debit. Now rent paid, expense, debit. Wages, expense, debit. Advertisement, expense, debit. Discount received is income, all income have a credit balance. So another mistake is discount received. Another mistake is what? Discount received. Okay, discount received, this is the another mistake. So in debit side of the trial balance, we have detected the two errors which was committed by inexperienced accountant. Cash in hand, correct. Debit, plant and machinery assets, correct. Typewriter assets, correct. Stock assets, correct. Debit, purchase expense, correct. Carriage inward and carriage outward, both are expense, correct. Sundry debtor assets, correct. Bills payable should be liability, it is incorrect. Rent paid expense, correct. Wages expense, debit. Advertisement expense, debit. Rent received, income, it should be credit. Now come to this side. Bank overdraft, correct. Capital, correct, credit side. Goodwill is assets, it is incorrect. Goodwill is assets, it should be in the debit side. Sundry creditors, correct. Sales credit, correct. Sundry creditors liability, credit side. Sales income, credit side. Return inward means sales return. Return inward means sales return. Sales return should be debit. Return inward means sales return. Sales have a credit balance, so sales return should be credit. Sales return should be credit. Return inward, it should be credit. Return inward should be debit. Sales is credit, so return inward means sales return should be debit. Drawing, it's an assets, debit balance, it has written in the credit side, debit balance. Investment, assets, it should be debit, here it has written credit. So this side he has committed mistake. Bank overdraft, correct. Capital, correct. Liability, both are liability. Goodwill, assets, it is incorrect. Sundry creditors, correct in the credit side because it's a liability. Sales income, credit side, correct. Return inward means sales return, it should be debit, it is incorrect. Drawing assets, credit, it is incorrect. Investment, incorrect. So we have find out the information which are not correct. Now we have to correct it. So first correction will be this. I am going to this corrections. Bills payable, we have to write this side. Bills payable, this should be at this side, credit side, it is 12,000. Bills payable 12,000, credit side. Okay, I am going to erase. correct? Bills payable, credit side. Now another mistake, discount received. Discount received should be credit. Discount received should be credit as it is income. All incomes and gains credit. So it is 3,200. So this is the another mistake. So I have erased from this side. Rest of the information in the debit side are correct. Now come to this side, goodwill, assets. So we have to write the goodwill over here. Goodwill, I am adjusting in this gap, goodwill. Goodwill is 8,000. Okay. So goodwill should not be credited, it should be debit. Goodwill is assets. Goodwill is what? It's an asset. Next is return inward. Return inward. Return inward means sales return. Return inward. Return inward. 2,400. Return inward 2,400. Okay. Next error is I am going to erase return inward from this side. Return inward should be in the debit. Next is drawings. Drawings. It should be debit. Drawings should be debit. Drawings. Drawings. Drawings is 2,120. Drawings. It's an assets. It should be debit. Okay. Next is investment. Investment. I am going to write over here in between investment. In between that I am going to write the investment. As I am not getting the space, so I am just managing it. Investment. It is 4,000 is the investment. Okay. So I have erased this one. So this is the way of I have redrafted it. So in redrafting processing, these two are in the debit side. I have posted in the credit side. I have just done it in the credit side, and these 1, 2, 3, 4 items was in the credit. Now I have shifted to the debit side. I have shifted in the debit side. Debit balance. These have the debit balance. Now we'll do the total. Okay, now we will do the total. This you don't make the gap over here while you preparing. You write it over here. Bills payable. Bills payable should be here. Discount received should be here. It is 12,000 and 3,200. Okay, there should not be any gap between the two. Laser. There should not be any gap. Now we'll do the total. We'll do the total of debit and credit. So start totaling. Debit side total. You see the total of the debit side. 0, 0. It is 2. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 8, 16. 16 and 6, 22, 25, 31, 36, 41, 45, 46, 4 carry, 14, 20, 23, 27, 28, 29, 33, 34, 34 and 8, 42, 50, 59, 65, 65 or 4, 69, 67, 69, once again, 20, 27, 28, 29, 29, 33, 34, 34 and 8, 42, 50, 59, 59 and 6, 65, 65 or 4, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 7 carry, okay, here carry 7, 14, 15, 15 or 8, 17, 15, 14, 15, 15 or 8, 23, 24, 25. 2,53,620. 2,53,620. Now see the total of the David side total is 0, 0, 8, 4 to 6 to 8, 14, 15, 16, 16 and 3, 19, 1, 7, 13, 14, 4, 1, 2,49,800. 2,49,800. So debit and credit is not matched. Debit side total is 2,53,620 and credit side total is less than that. So this difference indicate your suspense account will be transferred to suspense account. Balancing figure will be transferred to balancing figure. This is the balancing figure. So balancing figure is 0, 2, 8, 3, 3,000, 3,820 is the balancing figure. 3,820 is the balancing figure, which will be, this will be transferred to suspense account. Balancing figure, difference amount. It means this much amount is not known to us. Okay, this much amount we don't know where this amount has gone. So that's why I transferred temporarily we transferred that difference amount to suspense account, and thereafter we will try to find out this suspense. Okay, and accordingly we rectify the entries. So rectification process will be done. We will identify where the mistake has committed, and thereafter we rectify it. But at present this much amount is not known to us where that much amount has gone. So that's why temporarily we have transferred this amount to suspense account. So what we have done, first mistake here, correction. Second mistake, LF was not there, ledger folio. I have draw the column of ledger folio. Thereafter debit balance was not written in that, and credit balance I have written. In the debit side there was the 2 mistake, in the credit side there was the 4 mistakes. So I have shifted accordingly. The credit should be in the credit side and debit in the debit side, and thereafter I do the total. Even when I am doing the total, both side total is not same. So this side total debit balance is this much and credit balance is this much. So there is a difference. So difference amount indicate that this much amount is not known to us where that amount has gone. So temporarily we have opened one account. This is a temporary account, suspense account, and balancing figure. This is the 3,820, and thereafter we match the trial balance After writing the suspense account, we match the trial balance is now matched. Okay. After putting the suspense account, this is the total. This is the total. Okay. Suspense account. Suspense account is a temporary account, this account is only open when the trial balance mismatched, and later on we will find it out the reason for that difference, and accordingly we rectify the we'll do the rectification process before preparing the financial statement. Before preparing financial statement, we rectify it. If it is not rectified, then the suspense account will reflect in the balance sheet. Next year we will find it out. Okay. So after journal, recording the transaction into journal or subsidiary books, we prepare the ledger. We do the posting from journal or subsidiary books to ledger, and from the ledger balance we prepare the trial balance. Yes. If the ledger have a debit balance, then we'll write in the debit side in the trial balance. If the ledger balance of that particular account is credit, then we'll write in the credit side. Okay. So see one more questions, and this is the last question of the trial balance. A bookkeeper extracted the following trial balance on 31st March 2017. A bookkeeper extracted the following trial balance as at 31st March 2017. So the format is as trial balance as at 31st March 2017. Okay, 31st March 2017. The name of the account has written. You may write the name of the account or particulars, both are same. Now first item is stock of 1st April 2016. It's an opening stock. It is correct. 2,50,000 opening stock. Correct side. No errors committed. Okay. No errors committed. Second is purchase. Purchase is debit balance. Here it is debit balance. It is also correct. Thereafter sales is on credit. Correct. 10 lakhs. Credit side 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs credit side. Next item is motor vans. Motor vans is 1,50,000 and 3,80,000 is the motor van. 3,80,000 motor van. 3,80,000 assets debit side. Correct. Thereafter debtors and creditors. Debtors and creditors. This account is written jointly, debtors and creditors. So the amount which is in debit is debtors. 1,50,000 is debtors, and amount which is reflecting in the credit side is your creditors. 94,000 is your creditors. Debit side amount indicate the debtors and credit side amount indicate the creditors. Next is premises. Premises means land and building is called premises. Premises valuation is given this side. This is wrong. You have to write this side, 3 lakhs. David side. It is an asset. Premises is an asset. It's an asset. David side. Soft fitting. Soft fittings. It's an assets. Soft fittings is also assets. So this should be in the debit side, 20,000. This is written in the credit side. This is wrong. So you have to write in the debit side, soft fitting. Interest on bank overdraft. Interest on bank overdraft. It's an expense. Overdraft. It's an expense, debit. But it has written which side? Credit side. So you have to write in the debit side. Interest on bank overdraft, 16,000. Interest on bank overdraft. Overdraft. Interest on bank overdraft. It should be debit. It's an expense. Bank over interest is expense. Purchase return. Purchase return. Purchase have a debit balance, so purchase return should be credit. So purchase return it has given in the debit, it should be credit. 10,000. Purchase return should be credit. Sales return. Sales return should be debit. Sales have a credit balance, so sales return should be debit. Sales return is 20,000. You have to write in the debit side. It has written in the credit side. You just shift it into the debit side. Sales return debit. Lighting and heating. It's an expense. Lighting and heating is the expense. It is in the correct side, 18,000. Correct side, 18,000. Capital is liability. Capital, credit side. Capital is 5 lakhs. It's in the right side, 5 lakhs. Next is discount received. Discount received. This is the balance of capital. Credit, okay? Discount received. Discount received is income. This should be credit. Discount received should be credit. It's an income. It has written in the debit side, wrong. Thereafter repairs. Next is repairs. Repairs expense. Repairs is expense. It is in the right side, 2,500. No mistake committed. Right side. Electricity is the expense. It should be debit, but it has written in the credit side. You just shifted to debit side. Electricity amount written in the credit, that is wrong. So shift to debit side. It's an expense. Bank overdraft. Liability should be credit, and here it has written in the debit side. It should be credit. Bank overdraft, credit. Okay, bank overdraft. This is bank overdraft. Amount of bank overdraft. Okay, bank overdraft. Credit. Stock on 31st March 2017, it's a closing stock. This will not be inside the trial balance because it is not adjusted. So this, we are not going to write the closing stock over here. Rent from subletting. Rent from subletting, it's an income. Credit balance, correct. It is correct. Credit balance. Bills receivable. Assets. Bills receivable is assets. So it should be in debit. It has wrongly written in the credit side. It should be debit. Bills receivable. Next is in the suspense account. Next is written in the suspense account. So first of all, we try to match both side whether it is correct or not. So this side total is 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 4, 2, 6, 6 or 5, 11, 1 carry, 9 and 1, 10, 11, 11, 12, 2, 1 carry, 6, 7, 8, 18 lakhs 21,000 is the total. 18 lakhs 21,000 credit side total. Now see the debit side. 0, 0, 5 or 5, 10, 1 carry, 7 or 8, 15, 16, 17, 17, 23, 23 or 8, 23 or 8, 31, 3, 13, 21, 26, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 2, 3 carry, 3 to 5, 5 or 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 18 lakh 21,000. So, okay. No need to write the suspense account because both side is matched. Both side is matched. Okay. So error in this question was the error committed by the whosoever has drafted it, where the error has committed, in which particular account they have committed the errors, in which particular account they have committed the errors. As I have seen it, the errors committed in errors which was committed by the concerned accountant is related to the premises. Okay, soft fittings. These are assets, should be debit, but here they have written in the credit side. Interest on bank OD, overdraft. These are the ledger where the accountant has committed mistake in writing the ledger, in the trial balance. Purchase return should be credit, purchase return. This is the another mistake, purchase return, it should be credit, but it has written in the debit side. Sales return, lighting, heating is correct, capital is correct. Discount received, Next, repairs is correct. Electricity, bank overdraft, stock on 31st March 2017. It is not adjusted, so this will be not inside the trial balance, this will be outside the trial balance. Rent from sublet is correct. Bills receivable. So these are the ledger balance where the errors was committed by the accountant. Okay, this it's an asset, should be debit balance. Assets debit balance. Interest on overdraft expense debit. Purchase return should be credit. Sales return should be debit. Discount receipt should be credit. Electricity expense should be debit. Bank overdraft liability should be credit. ये नहीं रहेगा, not to write inside the trial balance. Bills receivable, assets debit. Okay, so correction done. Okay, correction done accordingly. Errors, they have written in the credit side, they have written in credit, debit, credit, credit. Okay, So this is the errors committed, and now I have shifted it in the opposite side. Correction done. It should be credit, David. Accordingly, I have done the corrections over here. So trial balance topic is over. So trial balance is prepared from the ledger balance of all accounts, and it is in one page, and all ledger balance will reflect at one page to check the arithmetical accuracy, and on the basis of that we prepare the financial statement. Okay, so trial balance is not a account, it's a statement, it's a summary of all ledger balance at one place. It's a summary of all ledger balance at one place. The ledger balance, ledger of any account which have a debit balance will be reflected in the debit side, and ledger balance of any account which have a credit reflecting credit balance will be shown in the credit balance side of the trial balance. It is prepared on a specific date, not for the period. It is prepared on a specific date, not for a period. Okay.